In this video, we are going to discuss about RA electric planes, the future of flight. Imagine an airplane that flies without any noisy, rumbly engines. Instead, it glides through the sky almost silently. This is the amazing idea behind electric planes. They use electricity instead of jet fuel and could help our planet by creating less pollution. So how does an electric plane actually work? It's like a toy drone but much bigger. These planes have electric motors instead of fuel-burning engines. The batteries send electricity to the motors which spin propellers. The spinning propellers push air backward, creating thrust that lifts the plane into the sky. Let's look at some amazing electric planes people are talking about. One of the most famous is the Aviation Alice. This plane looks like it came straight out of science fiction. The Alice is designed to carry 9 passengers and 2 pilots for commuter flights, short trips between nearby cities, making regional travel emission-free. Another cool model is the Pipistrel Velis Electro. This 2-seater was the first all-electric plane fully certified in Europe, a huge deal for aviation safety. We are also seeing innovation in vertical takeoff aircraft, like giant drones that carry people. Companies like Joby Aviation are developing air taxis to skip city traffic. The biggest hurdle for electric planes is the battery. The problem is energy density, how much energy you can store for a given weight. Jet fuel holds about 40 times more energy than the best batteries. Because of this, current electric planes have limited range. The Alice flies about 250 nautical miles, while the Velis Electro flies for about 50 minutes, perfect for training but not long trips. Scientists are working on better batteries using new materials like lithium sulfur and solid-state technology. These promise to be much lighter and hold more energy. Another challenge is charging. Airports need super powerful charging stations to recharge these enormous batteries quickly between flights. When comparing electric to traditional planes, the biggest advantage is environmental impact. Traditional planes burn jet fuel releasing greenhouse gases, while electric planes have zero tailpipe emissions. Electric motors have fewer moving parts than jet engines, making them more reliable and cheaper to maintain. Electricity is also generally cheaper than jet fuel. Traditional planes still dominate in range and capacity. A Boeing 787 can fly over 9,000 miles, carrying hundreds of passengers, while electric planes are limited to short distances with small passenger loads. However, electric planes are dramatically quieter, just a gentle hum instead of loud jet engines. This could allow airports closer to cities and longer operating hours. Future airports will need powerful charging infrastructure at every gate. Since electric planes are quieter, airports could be built closer to cities with smaller vertiports for air taxis. Recent test flights show this future is getting closer. In 2022, the Aviation Alice completed its first flight, and companies like Joby have conducted hundreds of VTOL test flights. Will electric planes shape the future? Absolutely, but gradually. They'll first revolutionize short-haul travel, connecting smaller cities with cleaner, more affordable flights. As battery technology improves, we'll see electric planes grow in range and size. This is the beginning of a new age in aviation. Quieter, cleaner, and full of possibilities. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.